Sitting here at Nordic Integration Summit in Stockholm, but tomorrow we'll be in Gothenburg having two live sessions with Wagner and Kent. So what can we expect from the Lunch and Learn and then Agent in a Day?
Okay, so for the Lunch and Learn, we actually been discussing to do pretty much a Q&A session, right? Focus on developer experience. So expect questions on, we put in some questions together about common things that people is interested or have doubts, both from your team and then from the live stream. And we try to show that a little bit of deep dive in some of the areas that we can. And similar to what we usually do on Logic Apps Live, is answer as many questions that we can with the time permitting. And my NDA allowing.
Yeah, sounds great, sounds great. So yeah, Kate, and later we will have the Agent in a Day.
Yeah.
AI after work, what we call
AI
it.
after work, nice, okay, I like that.
AI after hours.
Yeah, that's cool, I might have to borrow that, Yeah, so with Agent in a Day, we're gonna take the class, I guess, through a hands-on experience, starting from scratch, and we're gonna go ahead and build an IT service management agent using ServiceNow. So we're gonna do things like creating an incident, updating an incident, closing an incident, and then also communicating with stakeholders. And yeah, that's a great opportunity to get hands-on experience. We're targeting this in 4 hours. I feel optimistic that we're gonna get there. I'm pretty sure we will. And I think that'll just kind of speak to the platform and how easy it is to use. If you can be successful in 4 hours building your first agent, that's pretty cool. So that's the goal. Hope everyone's up for it and looking forward to seeing you all there.
Yeah, we have, 70 plus people if you look at both the Lunch and Learn and Agent in a Day. So we're excited.
Awesome. And one thing about the Agent in a Day is not a simple agent. It's actually a full end-to-end story. And if you were here on Nordic Summit, you see some of that on Ken's keynotes, like a really running. So you're going to learn to do something that is that he was using not just as a demo, but it's like a real use case.
For sure.
Sounds amazing. So yeah, we look forward to it tomorrow. And yeah, thank you, Kent and Wagner, for coming to Gothenburg.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Looking forward.
Yeah.